Let's see what we got. E-rations. Okay, we've got tuna chunks and spring water. Got some instant mashed potato. Just add hot water. Some bread. Some isotonic drinking powder. Tomato soup. M&Ms. Mentos. Jam sandwich biscuits. Chocolate bar. Okay, we've got our Fred can opener. Got some Mentos, Vegemite, tea bags, coffee, sugar. Come in handy in the morning. Got some cheese in a can. Raspberry jam. Some sweetened condensed milk. Be alright for coffee later. Muesli bar. Okay, main meal, we've got beef and pasta. I think this is like a Christmas cake, yeah, citrus cake. There you go. Got a jerky. Some more matches. Bog roll. Malay lamb curry, yep. Whole grain cereal bar with fruit. Spoon. Breakfast, we've got natural muesli, fruits with seeds. Creamer for the coffee. Some more bickies, these are Sayos really. Coffee flavoured protein drink. There we go, just a Ziploc bag to stick your bog roll in if you're outfield, or just use it for breaking down your rat pack and pull out the stuff you really want to eat. And we've just got the nutritional information and menu, and that just covers most of the rat packs that they have, whether it be A all the way to H. And that's it. Oh, well, the rain's held off, which is pretty good, but I just happen to be using this airbed for the first time, and sounds like I'll be sleeping on a packet of chips. Did you hear that? Yeah, good morning folks. Yeah, so couldn't do any filming pretty much last night. I didn't want to get the light of my camera lighting up the forest since we had some new arrivals. But just through there, oh man, talk about keep you awake all night. I don't think they know that I'm here, but yeah, you couldn't tell now. They definitely have a hangover right this morning. I'm going to get back to bed and then yeah, pack up and get out of here. So okay, so we had some visitors last night. They're just camping just through those trees over there. I'm not really sure they know I'm here yet, but they soon will when I start the bike. So I didn't really get a chance to film much after last night. So yeah, I'm just going to pack up stumps and move out. They got a bit rowdy and yeah, so I think they're sleeping in at the moment with a bit of a hangover. Who knows?